Potatoes and lemons make the perfect combo for these Greek lemon potatoes, cooked in half the time in my air fryer. If you're not new to my channel, you'll know that I've made Greek lemon potatoes before. They are a favorite in my household and I can go through bags of potatoes. However, they do take a long time to cook up in the oven, so I've devised a way to cook this in my Ninja Foodie. I'm basically going to boil the potatoes in that delicious stock and then I'm going to finish it off in my air fryer. It's going to cook up in half the time. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm using my Ninja Foodie today as I can boil and air fry at the same time. I'm going to select saute mode and I'm going to add some olive oil. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 pound of potatoes that I've cut in wedges. I'm going to cover this with 1 cup of chicken or veggie stock. The juice of half a lemon, and I'm also going to throw in 1 tablespoon of lemon rind. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and I'm going to give everything a good mix. Allow these wedges to boil in the liquid for about 5 to 10 minutes and just turn them gently at intervals. You only need to cook this till the potatoes just about start to turn translucent, and then remove them and drain them. With the liquid that's left behind, I'm going to turn it into a sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and mix this in. This makes an amazing dipping sauce. I'm now going to remove the sauce and I'm going to add the potatoes back in the air fryer basket. These Greek lemon potatoes will take about 20 minutes to cook. I'm going to start with 10 minutes on my air fryer setting and I'm going to check this in between. I'm going to move the fries around very gently. After the 10 minutes, I'll just have another look and then I'm going to set this for another 10 minutes. Once done, these Greek lemon potatoes are delicious, dipped in that lemony dipping sauce. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Greek lemon potatoes. This recipe is a quick and dirty way to get this on the table in no time. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below so I know what other types of videos you're looking to see. Also, if you love my content, do share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Bye.